Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Lincoln MKT. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sleek and capable MKT. With 3-row seating, a host of passenger amenities, and all-wheel drive, this luxurious SUV prioritizes comfort and performance, while its suite of premium tech optimizes safety and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident, comfortable, and connected in this MKT. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.